We've just completed the full asset reposition here at 10 Valentine Avenue, Parramatta. The ground floor cafe consists of marble and a brass ceiling. There's a halo light introduced around the curved core, which was just to add a bit of contrast and a bit of lighting reflecting off the tubular design. Introduced some green walls that are 3.6 metres tall to add some life into the space and to add a bit of contrast. So as you head through the ground floor, you'll walk into the cafe, to the third space meeting room. Then you make your way through to the end of trip, which is the new bathrooms and bike storage area for the ground floor for the building. So the tundra stone that was used in the lobby flowed through into the bathrooms. Same with the brass touches throughout the project. And you make your way up through the tower, which is a cold shell fit out to 10 floors. You make your way into the package 5, which is a mechanical upgrade and the main switchboard replacement to achieve PCA A grade for the building. So we really enhanced the visitor experience with the open look and the high-end finishes with the brass. I'm pretty proud of what we were able to achieve. It was a pretty challenging project, especially with the tubular design and the long lead times on the high-end finishes.